Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter Kingdom Plantae. In that we are studying topic Bryophyta. Bryophyta, the smallest plant of plant kingdom. Today let us study how does Bryophyta look, how does it reproduces and how does it prepare its food. Bryophyta. When I talk about Bryophyta would be the size of your palm. Yes, the size of your palm is the structure of Bryophyta. They're the smallest plants of kingdom Plantae. Whenever you go on trekking on mountains, if you notice and observe, there are small plants which just have single stem, few leaves attached to them. There are no fruits, no flowers. Right at the top of the mountain, those are bryophytes. Bryophytes' body is differentiated a little bit. There are no fruits, no flowers. So obviously reproduction would be a little different. Sexual reproduction, how does it occur? There is something which are called as cryptogams. Now these cryptogams are basically structures which are hidden inside the roots of Bryophyta. They are hidden reproductive systems, and these hidden reproductive systems help bryophytes basically to grow or reproduce. They are plant amphibians of kingdom Plantae. That is, they necessarily require water for their growth and reproduction. Now, how does Bryophyta helps nature in totality? Though being a small plant, all the animals which graze or eat on mountain tops, bryophytes can act as a food source to them. Secondly, bryophytes basically hold the soil in a firm position, so soil erosion can be prevented. Third, it helps in rock decomposition. Bryophyta, or the small plants of kingdom Plantae. They mostly are terrestrial and they are found on high hilly regions or high mountainous plateaus. Now the body is differentiated. There are certain parts present inside bryophytes. They consist of small little roots which are tap roots, stem which is very thin and pale, and few number of leaves just present in them. They never contain any flower or fruit. They do have xylem and phloem. They are vascular parts, but their xylem and phloem is very primitive or old. This plant are amphibians, that is, they require water for their survival compulsory. They have hidden reproductive system, and this hidden reproductive system is nothing but cryptogamy, which is present inside their root. Reproduction is both sexual and asexual in them. Asexual reproduction is by the means of fragmentation, or it could be spore formation by sporangium process. Now, sexual reproduction occurs due to male gametes, which is antheridium, and female gamete, that is archegonium. The fusion of male and female gamete would result in the formation of zygote and then embryo and then a small little plantlet. There are certain significance or importance in kingdom Plantae. One of them is they act as a source of food for another grazing animal or other grazing animal on the mountain top. They prevent the soil erosion by holding the soil tightly by their roots. They help in rock decomposition. Whenever they penetrate in the deep layers of soil, they help to break down rocks into pebbles and particles. Students, this was Bryophyta, the smallest plant of kingdom Plantae. I hope you all are clear with this concept. Thank you.